Hoffmann Glastechnik GmbH is one of the largest industrial glassblowing companies in the German market. The company is an experienced specialist in the traditional craft of glassblowing and also a pioneer in the use of modern production techniques. For more than 5 decades, the family business has been producing technical glasses for laboratories, the medical field, and industrial appliances. As a manufacturer of glass components for the electrical engineering industry, Hoffmann Glastechnik has gained a worldwide reputation. Over the last years, we were more and more facing the challenge to realize projects due to rising skills shortages. Skilled workers were getting too tied up in simple tasks. And that's when I got the idea of having repetitive activities carried out by robots. Now, as you can see, we have a UR10 and a UR5 working very productively here in our machine park. Serial, technical glass manufacturing processes demand a maximum of precision. This is why the company uses universal robots. Their robots are able to execute even the finest tasks with constant high precision. Hoffmann Glastechnik uses the 2 robot arms UR5 and UR10. They are deployed in a machine tending application, automatically feeding highly sensitive glass tubes into a forming machine. The glass components are extremely sensitive. The smallest difference in temperature can be devastating. In the past, we've had difficulties in ensuring a consistent quality of our products. Now that we have implemented the robots, we can observe cycle times with greater accuracy, and the production process has been stabilized. Thus, we significantly improved the quality of our products and also increased our efficiency. By using the UR robots, Hoffmann Glastechnik was able to increase its production capacities in the specific application area by 50%. Depending on the application, the robots produce between 200 and 400 glass components per day. The UR robots are both easy to use and easy to redeploy to multiple applications at any other machine. You just need to have some basic computer skills and need to know how a CD player works, and you're all set. Even users without professional programming experience can quickly set up and operate the robots. Having used the robots for 1 year now, I'm very satisfied. We are able to plan with greater certainty now, especially in regards to our customers. We have less defective goods, improved products, and lower costs. All in all, I have to say that it was a blessing to implement these 2 robots, and they certainly won't be the last ones. The new collaborative robot colleagues have thus become a key factor in the maintenance of the traditional craftsmanship. The monotonous tasks are all done by the robots now, and our skilled employees can focus once again completely on the traditional craft of glass blowing and play out their full potential.